Welcome everyone, in front of me I have the Google Pixel Watch. Now, I am an Apple Watch fan. I'm hoping this is the watch which makes me switch away from the Apple walled garden, but let's find out. Also, this box is weirdly large. I mean, take a look at the Pixel 7 here. Interesting box design. Okay, so we have two pull tabs right here that we use. Boom. And boom, and the box opens up. Okay, here is the watch itself. I'm honestly optimistic. I'm really hoping that this is going to be the watch I use. So this just pulls out all at once. How can I? Okay, the strap is currently on. I was a bit confused there. Let's take off the strap. Here we go. Okay, so compared to an Apple Watch, my Apple Watch is definitely larger than the Google Watch. It also has more screen real estate because it's a square. But the reason why you're looking at the Google Watch here is because the Google Watch looks like a watch, and the Apple Watch kind of looks like a computer on your hands. You know, you can definitely tell something ain't right here. This just looks more natural. Taking a look at the sides here, we do have two buttons like the Apple Watch. So we have the crown here. The crown rotates as well. It does feel a little bit stiffer compared to the Apple Watch, but I'm definitely going to get used to this. It's not like a bad thing, you know. It's just a different style. The side button here as well. On the Apple Watch, that's used for multitasking and not really anything else. Maybe the holding down as a power button. So let's see, is that the same here? Okay, so on Google, this is also the power button, just like the Apple Watch. I'm assuming clicking this would be the home button. Alright, so let me just put this guy on. Let's take a look at the differences here. So, oh my goodness. With the Apple Watch on my wrist, this may end badly. This may actually end badly. Alright, let me just do this off screen here so I can actually fit the watch on. Okay, no, okay, not today. Alright, let's take a look at this here. This wireless charging maybe for the watch. I'm assuming it is, but I don't know how to open this box up. Okay, so there's just pull tabs you have to pull up for. And okay, so this isn't the wireless charger, but this is the wireless charger right here. I was a little bit confused for a second. I thought you plug it in, but no, this is the wireless charger. It seems like we may have a smaller wristband as well, maybe if you need that. Okay, quite simple. In the box, we've also got, assuming just help you get started. Yep, don't care. Okay, let's take a look at the watch now. Very similar user interface to the Apple Watch. This is what it show. Wonder if there's a pairing manually option. I don't know what it did. Here we go. These animations do look a little bit more laggy on the Pixel Watch than the Apple Watch. The scrolling looks buttery smooth. I don't know what's up with that. That looks really weird. So, in Google Pixel Watch app, connect to this watch name. Okay, so they made it quite simple. I'm not going to pair it today. I'll have to tutorial how to pair the Pixel Watch if you do care about that. I don't remember putting on a watch being so tough. It's very weird. Okay, there we go. Excellent. I can put on the watch, guys. Wow. Can I get a like? Okay, here we go. So if we take a look at these two watches here, just move it like this so it's on the same orientation. Definitely larger on the Apple Watch, but I'm optimistic that the Google Watch, I have to look at what the sensors are, etc. I kind of support it because, you know, yeah, but I'm just hoping that this Pixel Watch here is going to have the same sensors, maybe more sensors than the Apple Watch. I'm hoping it has a smooth, you know, user interface. I'm going to do a full review because I'm unbiased here. I don't bend over to Apple. You may look at all these phones, okay? I run this Apple dedicated channel. That's the reason why I have all these iPhones everywhere, you know. That's the reason why. It's not like I suck them off, which some YouTubers do because they're in that Apple program. But yeah, I'm hoping that this Pixel Watch is going to be the replacement. I'm not going to BS with that. And yeah, it does feel comfortable to hold. Definitely is lighter compared to the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch feels heavy compared to this guy. It's light, it's more flush as well. And I'm hoping for the best. So check out my other unboxings, check out my other videos on the Pixel Watch on my channel. And yeah, bye bye.